Hey guys, it's Anthony from LRA Auto Museum and Sales, and today we'll be checking out our 2019 Camaro 1SS 1LE. So the 1LE package for the Camaro was a track performance package that added aerodynamic features such as this front lip, the rear spoiler, and a few other aerodynamic features, and a fully magnetic suspension, also known as the MagneRide system from Chevrolet. Also, it came with these beautiful 20-inch black aluminum forged rims. They're lighter than the standard rims. It also has the Brembo brakes for ultimate stopping power. It also has the Michelin Sport Cup tires on it for extra grip and handling. Overall, it's a fantastic package. You could get this on the ZL1 and the SS Camaro. If you don't want to put $100,000 out to get that track performance, you can also just buy one of these SS's in the $40,000 range. Also too, I think the black rims pair great with the shadow gray metallic and the black accents such as the black roof, black mirrors, black hood, black spoiler, and so many others. All right, enough about the outside. Let's take a look under the hood. Under the hood is your standard LT1 that comes in the Camaro SS. It's a 6.2 liter V8 producing 455 horsepower and 455 pounds of torque. What really helps this motor out too is with the 1LE package, it adds extra cooling. There's an extra radiator for the motor. It's upgraded as well. There is a transmission cooler and a differential cooler as well. When you're pushing this car to its ultimate capabilities, you have to make sure that it is cool so it can perform at the highest level. So that's what's so great about the cooling features that is with the 1LE package. It truly allows the car to perform at its highest point for an extended period of time on the track. All right, enough talking. Let's take it for a drive. So there's a few features on the interior that I really love. I love the suede steering wheel matched with the suede shift knob. And I also love the Chevrolet MyConnect, which is really nice because you have Apple CarPlay, Android CarPlay, any compatibility with any smartphone nowadays you can use on this. And it really is nice. It hooks right up to your Apple Maps. So much easier than playing around with a GPS in a standard car or anything like that. Another feature on the interior of the vehicle that I really love are these rev-match paddle shifts right here. Basically, the car's a manual, and then you ask, why do you have these little paddles right here? That's usually on an automatic so you can shift. They say rev match on it, so you can use these to turn the rev match on and off. That's another great performance feature of the 1LE. I also love the different mode selector here. It affects, your exhaust, your engine, your acceleration, and your suspension all through the mode right here. It has track, sport, comfort, and economy mode. And overall, it's a pretty plain interior, but that's what I like about it. It's nice. You're not buying this car for all of its creature features. It does have some great ones, but you're really buying it for the engine and the performance and the suspension and the transmission. Overall, this is a track car, but it really does have some amazing features. All right, let's take it for a ride. So like I said, this car has multiple features when driving it, multiple different modes as well. I'm gonna keep it in track mode for the ride because it's a track car. I think it's meant to be in track mode, and that's the most fun. Car sounds absolutely fantastic. That good old American V8. Let's turn the rev match on as well. There we go, rev match is on. A lot of track cars aren't easy to drive. They have really, tough clutches. They're not smooth, but this car, the clutch is smooth as butter. Super easy to drive. And listen to that rev matching. In track mode, you really feel the suspension and the steering tighten up. It provides a little bit more of a bumpy ride because, you have that magnetic suspension set in track mode, but if we switch it right over to, touring mode, it's a lot smoother. Exhaust is quieter. Acceleration's a little different as well too. overall, just, you know, a nicer ride. Less sporty, but still sporty enough, still a very fun ride. Let's feel a little bit of that acceleration. And then as soon as you downshift, it'll rev match. That's probably my favorite feature. I love that. Dual sport exhaust sounds phenomenal as well. Backfires a lot. I think that's a really fun thing for a lot of, you know, sports cars and other muscle cars like that. It's going back in track mode. I could just do that all day. I don't care about going fast. That is why I'd buy the car. And then it rev matches. This car only has 19,400 miles on it. It was regularly maintained. This car wasn't pushed to its limits. Now it's ready for an owner who's gonna take this to the track and have fun with it, or someone who's just gonna drive it to car shows and, you know, get on the car a little bit, because it truly is meant for that. It's truly a performance vehicle and you can drive it like so. It's got a really nice heads-up display that shows, you know, what gear you're in, how fast you're going, and what RPM you're at. So it's really nice when you're on the track. You don't have to look down. You can stay looking forward, and you can still see what RPM you're at, what gear you're in, what mile per hour, and the G-force that you're pulling. See, and now I shut the rev match off. So anytime, it's just like a standard car. Downshift right here. Now it's back on. Even in track mode, just cruising, you know, 2,000 RPM, you can barely hear the exhaust. Like I mentioned earlier too, you get amazing performance for this vehicle in the $40,000 range, when, you know, a ZL1 will typically cost you around $80,000 to $90,000, and a ZL1 1LE can be $90,000 and even over $100,000 depending on what condition it's in. So you're getting that fantastic 1LE package, but for a lot more affordable price range. Right now we're just cruising in 6th gear in the left lane, and you can listen to how quiet this car is. There's no drone like a lot of different track cars. No extremely loud exhaust. Even when I give it gas, it sounds really nice. But then, if you switch it from touring mode to track mode, you get that performance and sound right back. This car will put a smile on your face. Another great feature too, I forgot to mention, with the interior is these Recaro bucket seats. They're beautiful and they really hold you tight. So, you know, when you're going around the track, or even when you're driving the car around town, you really feel like you're locked in, like you're not moving around. It's not going to affect your steering or anything else like that. This car is so much fun to drive. You don't even have to get on it to have fun. Has such good power in every gear, sounds phenomenal, shifts so smoothly. Chevrolet really outdid themselves when they put that Tremec 6-speed in here. All this performance could be yours for $49,900. It really is a steal considering everything that you're getting. For under $50,000, you can get a car with almost 500 horsepower and track capabilities. You know, if you do track cars already, or if you're looking to get into it, this is the perfect starter car. Or if you already do it, this is the perfect car to build off of. You know, there's so many aftermarket capabilities for this car, such as superchargers, pro chargers, other forced induction options, exhaust, suspension. So much you can do to these cars, and this car is already a great base for that. So if you're really looking to build a track race car, or you're looking to get into it, this is the perfect starter car. And you can never get tired of the backfiring. Thanks for coming along for the ride. If you're interested in this car, it's available at www.lraautomuseumandsales.com, or you can give us a call at 215-781-3790. Thank you and have a great day.